introduce Dr. Sunny Swarankar. Sir is a public health specialist at the DGHS. He is DNB and MPH in field epidemiology and has an MBA in hospital administration. Currently, Sir is serving for the NCD program at DGHS Ministry of Health and Family Welfare as a public health specialist. He has more than 10 years of experience in public health and program management at the national level. His professional expertise is in development of various national operational and technical guidelines and their implementation. And he's been responsible for planning and implementation of various community outreach programs, quality control management, and training of the working staff engaged in various aspects of public health. We're so grateful to have you here with us, sir. And needless to say, your expertise will go a long way in benefiting this program as well and in operationalizing the strategic aspects of the integration of NAFLD and NPCDCS. I welcome you, sir.
So first of all, I would like to mention over here that we work very hard to for the NAFLD program to integrate into the NPCDCS program, and we are privileged to we have the honor that it has been launched by Honorable HFM, and we are the first country who do the integration of NAFLD into the national NCT program. In way back, we I want to just show the evolution of NCTCS program. In 2008, we have initiated the NCT program in 10 districts, and it was expanded in 100 districts in 21 states in 2010, and slowly we have moved on with the with this program in 36 presence in 36 states, and the recently in 2008 we have a comprehensive primary healthcare services through health and wellness center, and population based screening under NCT program has been introduced in 2018, and in 2021 we have an integration of NAFLD in NCT program. So with the core objective under NCT program, we have health promotion, population based screening, opportunistic screening, and prevention control of chronic disease, capacity building of all label, primary health label to up to national level, and the IEC and BCC activities, and the cost-effective treatment at the all level. As per the infrastructure, we have presence in the program have presence in this 36 state, and we have district NCT cell and NCT clinics, more than 600 districts. We have cardiac care unit and daycare center, and we have more than 5,000 at CSC level NCT clinic. I would like to mention over here the most important paradigm shift in the program, that introduction of population-based screening in 2018. In this screening program, we have targeted more than 30 years of age of community for the common NCDs, diabetes, hypertension, and common cancer. The prevention, control, and screening services are through the our frontline worker ASHA and ANM, and the referral mechanism has been continued for the continuum of care at this PSC, CSC, and district hospital level. This population-based screening help in better management of disease by the way of early stage of detection, follow-up, treatment, and adherence. We are also trying to generate the awareness on risk factor of NCD. I'm not going in that much of detail. As we all aware that NAFLD is the core, the fatty liver is the core for all other development of all disease like diabetes or heart diseases or chronic kidney disease. So that's why the intervention for the prevention, control, and intervention for the NAFLD is more important. If we see that the burden of NCD and FLD, it accounts NCD in our country, 60% of all deaths which is of cardiovascular disease, is leading with the 27%. If we talk about NAFLD prevalence in India, one of the studies says that it is more than 30% in general population, and two-thirds diabetes have NAFLD. And more interestingly, we have a common risk factor for all NCDs and NAFLD. So that is why it's very necessary to integrate the NAFLD in the NCD program, so that we can prevent the disease outcome and to prevent the general population from these diseases. As I told you that we have worked very hard for the integration process, and the many agencies, Directorate, Ministry, NSHRC, ILBS and UNDP were involved in this, and we took workshops and strategization workshop through many webinars with the states and district nodal officer to take their input to integrate this program. And yes, of course, we have an honor that we had launch of NAFLD through Honorable Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan in February. So as per the implementation strategy for NAFLD, we have a health promotion, awareness generation and promotion of healthy lifestyle. We have included the screening, early detection and timely, affordable and accurate diagnosis. And of course, the treatment and rehabilitation part is also there. In the promotion and prevention activities, we have health promotion activities through population-based screening, mass media, and the social media messages. And we also included that the National Health Days to be celebrated. In April, we have celebrated World Liver Days, where around thousands of participants were participated and attended the mega webinar. And that at the grassroots level, the ANM, ASHA workers, and sub-center level, BSc level staff, community health officers to be sensitized on this NAFLDs. In the guideline, we have introduced that ASHA level activities, that minimum the obesity, abdominal obesity to be measured and to be recorded, so that if any person or anyone can have a risk factor, so that can be referred to the higher level for the other detailed investigations. Similarly, for the sub-center level, we have the more screening criteria for the NAFLD, apart from abdominal obesity, and we are having the detailed family history, the pedal edema, and the data recording and reporting in the Form 1 of the NBCDCS program. At the PSC level, we will have a population-based screening, diagnosis and management, and the referral part more strengthened at the PSC level to the CSE for inclusion of NAFLD in the patient in the referral card, where we are data recording and reporting in the Form 2 of NBCDCS program. At the CSE level, we can perform liver function test and other blood investigation, and NAFLD related fibrosis score can be done at the CSE level for the patient who has identified as a risk factor for NAFLD. At the district level, we have proper management, the hospital laboratory management and referral management, and the other FibroScan test for the confirmation and to identify the risk, low, moderate or higher risk, also available at the district hospital. These are the criteria which we are using at the district level for identify low, high and intermediate risk advance of liver fibrosis. what we are expecting from the medical colleges, central institute activities, that if anybody can the the proposed activity is not available at the district hospitals, so that where the medical colleges come in the picture and do the risk stratification for the patients, and the other investigations or other the preventive promotive services can also be highlighted in the medical college, and the doctors can be sensitized from the Department of Medicine and Gastroenterology uh, to focus on the NFLD. We are also in process to have a center of excellence for technical activities with relation to uh, NFLD. The training modules can be developed, and the various IEC material and BCC material can also be developed through National Center of Excellence. Similarly, we can have a regional and state level center of excellence, so that the core of NFLD can be prevent at each and every step. Moreover, as DGHS said, we have the many preventive and promotive strategies like Eat Right India movement initiated by FSI, and the promotive strategies like Fit India movement launched by Honorable PM. Apart from this, we have a national multi-sector action plan. As we all know that NCD is, of course, is a part of health ministry, but many other things are also involved, because it's a multi-dimensional disease, and we have a multiple risk factor of for NCDs. So we have a line of 15 identified ministries where we can have a jointly common goal to prevent and reduce the NCD in India. So the integrated and multi-sectoral coordination and health promotion and strengthening surveillance monitoring are being done under the multi-sectoral action plan. So as of now, what we have initiated our integration plan in the main core program. Apart from this, as I discussed in previous slide, that other media plans and the PIP, the program implementation plans, and ensuring the equipment diagnostic services are really, we have a very way forward in the coming time. So we are in process for that, and we are really committed to prevent our country from the risk factor of NFLD. Yes, thank you, and that's all from my side.